Okay, first I open, create one folder, notes page, then I open terminal. That folder is open Visual Studio Code Editor. Then I click on terminal, new terminal, npm create Vite at latest. Latest is latest version of installing. Initialize project's name, Vite notes page. Page. These are the capital letters. Camel cases are not accepted. These. So this is converted to lowercase. This name is automatically. So this name is suggested for the white library. You can suggest if okay, you can do it. Which kind of framework we can use? Um, we need Vue or React or Crackle Light or SolidWorks Quick. Others also available here. So I using now React. Then which kind of language you are using? TypeScript or TypeScript SVC. Speed Web Controller. SVC means Speed Web Controller. Then I using JavaScript Speed Web Controller. Remix also available here. So I click on JavaScript Speed Web Controller. Then I change our project directory. Copy this. Then paste it. Change our directory. Now a time like dependency files are installed. Public folder white. I installed npm packages. So now your time these dependencies are available here. Balance based dependencies are not available then. So I install npm install npm install to all dependency files are installed in one command. Yeah, installed quickly. React raw library compared to Vite is very better. So all dependencies are installed. Package.log.json are here now. So npm run dev. So script not dev. Okay. Npm run dev. I help enter. Sorry. Press R plus enter restarts our server. You enter so server URL open browser control C clear console Q quiet. So now I open browser O plus enter. It's open. I run on 5173 port. Default template in Python and React. So hi guys. Successfully we are completed the white app to create React app. So happy to say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Bye.